Daniel 2, Daniel 7, Daniel 8. Babylon gold, Nebuchadnezzar lion with wings. Medo-Persia silver, Darius Cyrus bear with reeds. Ram with higher horn, Greece, brass Alexander the Great. Gold one horn, for generals, leopard for heads, gold for horns, Rome, iron, pagan, Rome, Roman Empire, beast with 10 horns, 10 kingdoms, iron and clay, Papa, Rome, Catholicism, beast with 8 horns, for generals, leopard for heads, gold for horns, Rome, iron, pagan, Rome, Roman Empire, beast with 10 horns, 10 kingdoms, iron and clay, Papa, Rome, Catholicism, beast with 8 horns. And in the days of these kings shall the God of heaven set up a kingdom which shall never be destroyed, and the kingdom shall not be left to other people, but it shall break in pieces and consume all these kingdoms, and it shall stand forever. For as much as thou sawest that the stone was cut out of the mountain without hands, and that it break in pieces, the iron, the brass, the clay, the silver, and the gold, the great God hath made known to the king. What shall come to pass? Year after, and the dream is set in Daniel 2:44, and the interpretation therefore show 45. The brass, the clay, the silver, and the gold, the great God hath made known to the king. What shall come to pass? Year after, and the dream is set in Daniel 2:44, and the interpretation therefore show 45. For generals, leopard for heads, gold for horns, Rome, iron, pagan, Rome, Roman Empire, beast with 10 horns, 10 kingdoms, iron and clay, Papa, Rome, Catholicism, beast with 8 horns, Papa, Rome, Catholicism, beast with 8 horns, Papa, Rome, Catholicism, beast with 8